I know that you're feeling me, oh, and I be feeling you, oh. Girls, them a random. Me have to turn them down.
Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out another wig review. This wig is on a wig from my own collection, GLEEmade.com. This is the Tanzania wig, and this one is a 13x6 lace frontal unit. It's in 20" and it is a straight wig, and this one is 200 density. I love this wig because it does have the HD lace, which is the thinnest, most invisible lace on the market, and I love that this wig is a pretty everyday length. It's a 20", and so yeah, I absolutely love this one. If you want to check out this wig, I will leave a link down below where you can go ahead and check this wig out on GLEEmade.com. And again, this is the Tanzania wig in 20". So I did go ahead and use my Got To Be spray to just hold my hairline down, and then I went ahead and tried the wig on. You guys, this wig is so bomb. Like, you definitely want to check this one out. The lace literally just like melts into your skin so easily without a whole lot of effort and work. I literally laid this wig down using one product. It is my favorite product of all time to melt my lace, because I only wear my lace for the day. So if you're like me and you just want to wear your wig for the day, definitely check out Wig Dealer. They have this lace melt spray that is just so bomb. On top of it is a Black woman-owned business, so definitely show some support and check out Wig Dealer. So remember, you guys, when you're cutting your lace, make sure you cut it in a zigzag motion. The whole point of laying lace and doing lace fronts is to create an illusion. So you kind of want to trick the eye to not seeing a straight line. The eye always attracts to straight lines. So if you cut it in a zigzag, it'll be more undetectable. So you're going to want to also grab your GLEEmade lace melt band. It's an elastic band that helps to melt your lace down. This band is so perfect. It just literally adheres the unit and just makes everything look super seamless. And for that perfect silky straight look, grab your GLEEmade Silk Serum, also available on the website. It smells amazing and it does a great job of silking your hair down. You literally only need to divide your hair in 2 large sections. Use 3 pumps of the serum on either side. You don't need more than 3 pumps for either side of your head. Brush it into your hair and your silk press will come out flawless. Okay, silk press done, period. Okay, flawless silk press. And now let's get this hairline together and put some layers in this unit and some curls. to lay my baby hairs today, I am using the GLEEmade Edge Control and the baby hair brush. You can definitely find these on the site as well. I'll leave links down below. I kind of sped through this part because I feel like you guys have seen me done my baby hairs a million times. I do baby hairs on every style that I do, so I kind of just flew through this. If you guys do want an in-depth baby hair tutorial as well as cutting layers tutorial, please leave it in the comments down below, because I always just assume you guys kind of know what I'm doing. I do this literally in every single video, so it's really nothing new. But if I haven't like done an in-depth video talking about how I do it, I can definitely do that for you all if that's something that's needed. So you guys, I have been using my flat iron to kind of lay my parting space down. I do have a hot comb, but I'm in the market for a new one. If you guys know of a good hot comb out there, definitely leave it in the comments down below for me. I went ahead and used my GLEEmade styling mousse to go ahead and lay my parting space down. I added my darkest shade of my concealer. I don't use powder anymore, you guys. I do use the cream concealer to go ahead and you know, blend my parting space. And you guys, absolutely flawless. I was so pressed when I finished this hairline, y'all. This hairline is giving me everything. It is literally serving flawless. You guys need to check out this Tanzania wig. Like, I ain't even gonna hold you. Like, this wig is bomb. Even just straight before I even put the curls in it. Like, what? So I went ahead and did some pin curls. I used my GLEEmade alligator clips to hold my pin curls up. You guys, these alligator clips come in handy in so many different ways. Like, if you don't have the alligator clips, like, what is you doing? It'll literally save your hairstyling life. Like, they are just so handy. And now for the moment of truth, the takedown, where everything is revealed. And you guys, like, I was so pressed. Like, you guys, get into this hair. Silky, soft, bouncy, flowing. And this is the Tanzania in the straight. Like, this is the straight wig. It curls amazing. It cuts amazing. It looks amazing. It feels amazing. This is in 200% density, you guys. It is so full, so bouncy, so everyday length and texture. Like, I just love this unit. It's super effortless and versatile. Like, you can wear it straight, you can wear it curly, you can wear it any way you want, and it's just everything. I love HD lace, you guys. It is the thinnest, most invisible lace on the market, with absolutely the easiest install process of any lace that's out there. Okay, I added a little bit of the wax stick to hold down the flyaways. If you want to check out the GLEEmade wax stick, it is available on the site as well. I mean, I'm just obsessed. Let me know what you guys think about this unit. If you guys want to check it out, there will be a coupon code down below. Yeah, leave it in the comments what you think. I'm super proud of this wig. Make sure you guys are following, liking, and sharing these videos. Share this video with a friend. Share this video with a wig lover. Share this video with your mama. Peace.